Band called the Beatles. Who? Yeah, it's the Bugs. So I like to jokingly call them. This is one of my personal favorites that they did. It's a song called Norwegian Wood. Here we go. I once had a girl, or should I say, she once had me. She showed me her room, isn't it good, Norwegian wood. She asked me to stay and she told me to sit anywhere. So I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. I sat on her rug, biding my time, drinking her wine. We talked until 2, and then she said, it's time for bed. She told me she worked in the morning, started to laugh. I told her I didn't and crawled off to sleep in the back. And when I awoke, I was alone, this bird had flown. So I lit the fire, isn't it good, Norwegian wood.